Hello, today I am extremely determined to achieve my assigned goal and make sure to secure a spot of first place in the highly competitive Obsidian League. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Enjoy!